You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. But that can only happen when you develop the social skills to become attractive. Let's be real. We've all been the underdogs at some point. That feeling of social awkwardness. Maybe it hits you at parties, maybe on dates. Maybe it's even messing with your confidence at work. You're always getting stuck in your own head, asking yourself, what do I say? Do they like me? Why can't I be more charismatic? You remember those, right? I mean, that feeling that's like your brain turns into a social anxiety Olympics. Okay, let's admit it. The worst part. Overthinking actually makes things worse, no doubt. But what if there was a surprisingly simple way to break free from that? A kind of, social cheat code? Believe it or not, the answer isn't some newfangled life hack. It's in a book that's almost 100 years old. Yeah, ancient, right? I will reveal the book to you later. But for now, let's focus on making you a better person. Trust me, these ideas are timeless. And today, I'm going to share 4 of the most practical, game-changing tips from this classic book. I am talking about tips you can start using today to transform your social life and interactions. Ready to unlock your social superpowers? Let's go. Chapter 1. The Power of Interest. Master the art of being interested. Let me paint a picture. A party scenario. You're chatting with 2 different people. First conversation scenario. It's like a nightmare fuel. You get cornered by someone who treats you like a captive audience. They talk at you, not with you. Bring up a vacation discussion. Boom! It becomes their vacation story. Talk about a new job. Suddenly, it's about their friend's new job. You simply can't just escape. Okay, let's switch. Second conversation scenario. A breath of fresh air. They're asking you questions, genuinely listening, laughing at your jokes. Now, this feels good, right? So what's the difference? It's simple. Person number 2 understood the power of being interested. When I was younger, I fell down the rabbit hole of pickup artistry. It was all about being interesting, doing magic tricks, saying the right things to impress people, especially women. It felt like a performance, like I had to constantly win people over. But it was exhausting, and honestly, it was pretty fake. At least now I know. Then I stumbled upon this idea of simply being interested in others, asking questions, listening deeply, showing genuine curiosity. And guess what? It works like crazy. Suddenly, social situations became less about performing and more about connecting. This ancient book really nailed it. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. Incredible, right? Now, a word of caution. This isn't about being fake interested to manipulate people. It's not a tactic to get something you want. People are smart. They can sense when you're being disingenuous. Think of it like this. Detach from the outcome. Be interested because you're genuinely curious about people, not because you want them to like you. That subtle shift in intention makes all the difference. That's the difference between genuine connection and that creepy pineapple on pizza level of a fake enthusiasm. Chapter 2. The sweetest sound. Become a name ninja. How many times have you heard someone say, "I'm terrible with names"? It's practically a social badge of honor for some people. But think about what you're really saying when you say that. It can basically be translated to, "Hey, you're not important enough for me to expend the tiny amount of energy it takes to remember your name." Harsh, right? Yeah, it sucks. Leadership experts preach this constantly. Names are powerful. Your name is your word, your identity. It's the sound you've heard your entire life. Even your dog knows its name. As the author of the book famously said, remember that a person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. So, how do you become a name ninja if you struggle with names? Simple. The 3 and 3 rule. Make it a mini game. Say their name 3 times in the first 3 minutes of meeting. Example. "Hey, what's your name?" They reply, "Sarah." "Oh, Sarah, what a nice name." "Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Clark." "So, Sarah, what brings you here tonight?" Done. 3 times. Easy peasy. And what about that awkward moment when you forget someone's name and bump into them again? Gosh, Hollywood's secret weapon. Tell them, "Good to see you." Not "nice to meet you." That's a dead giveaway you've forgotten. "Good to see you" is smooth, acknowledges you've met them before, and gets you off the hook. Making the effort to remember and use names shows people you care. But here's a word of warning. Don't go overboard. Name overuse is name creepiness. Hey, Mark, how's it going, Mark? Mark, listen to this, Mark. Mark will think you're malfunctioning. Remember, a name is sweet, but moderation is key. Chapter 3. The Power of a Smile. Unlock the power of a smile. Someone once told me I have a round face. Not round, nice face, and let me show you. Look at my face. Am I not handsome and sexy enough? This is my default, haha. Now, to be honest, what would you think if you just met me for the first time? Would you say I am warm and approachable or not? And if you are a girl, would you take me out on a date? I mean, like me stealing your heart away and you crushing on me at the first glance. Anyways, the crazy thing is, when I smile, it's like a social superpower. You can't hold yourself but fall in love with me. Yeah, baby. Here's a perfect explanation. The expression one wears on one's face is far more important than the clothes one wears on one's back. Think about it. Even on a phone call, you can hear a smile. Here's the harsh truth, you might still resist this. Asking yourself, why should I smile if I'm not feeling it? I get it. You shouldn't be a fake, cheesy grin machine, but make a conscious effort. That's the recurring theme here. Effort. It matters a lot. If you're not happy with your social life, make a change. It doesn't have to be fake, just intentional. Walk around scowling, you'll attract scowlers. Want a circle of complainers? Probably not. So put in the effort and smile. Chapter 4. The Compliment Multiplier. Become a master of sincere appreciation. I saw this about how guys remember compliments forever because they get so few. It was really a funny video, but the message it passed is true. There's a great power behind each compliment and appreciation, even in tough situations. Even when you have to deliver criticism, start with honest appreciation. People are hungry for recognition. Maybe that's why we're all glued to social media, chasing likes, comments, and validation, like my girlfriends do. Just like I'd ask you now to like this video, leave your comments below and subscribe to this channel, haha. That need for acknowledgement is deeply linked to humans. Think about it. If you say to someone, you know what I really appreciate about you? Are they going to say, shut up, or I don't care? Never. They'll simply be all ears. You can also use this in leadership to stand out, giving people a fine reputation to live up to. We humans want to be consistent with our self-image. Tell someone you're a runner, they'll start running. Think of those little compliments you were given in your early days as a teenager, how they stuck and how they shaped your perception of yourself. It works magic in relationships. Just praise the good behaviors you want to see more of and see how they will do those things more. Want your partner to do the dishes? Compliment them when they do them. They will do more. Want more financial support? Praise their commitment and generous skills. Don't nag when they don't or criticize when they do it wrong. But wait, am I just flattering right now? No. There's a massive difference between empty flattery and honest, sincere appreciation. People can tell the difference, and it doesn't have to be some grand gesture, just a small, genuine acknowledgement. All right, time to spill out some secrets. Remember I told you earlier I'd reveal the name of the ancient book? Yep, I am honest. I keep to my promises. The name of the book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, written way back in 1936. Seriously, a legendary book, packed with life-changing ideas. And if you love videos like this, then do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Together, we will unlock your full potential. Check out other videos in the description. Until next time, don't just dream, act on it.